This is going to be my dish for tonight. Skinless Atlantic salmon. Nopalitos, cactus pads. Sliced olives. And white sliced mushrooms. And I have butter and olive oil. And I'm going to put Cavender's seasoning on them, salmon. Let's see how it comes out. Tonight I'm going to be making salmon. And I put lime juice in here in this bag and put some Cavender's seasoning on it. And I'm going to try some, I think it's called Nopalitos cactus pads. And then I got sliced mushrooms and sliced olives in here also. I got some butter and some olive oil. So I'm going to get this going. I get this grease heated up. Now that I have the oil heated up, I'll saute them for a little bit and get them cooked, the sides cooked. Mushrooms, olives, and Nopalitos. Now I got the sides done, sauteed. Put the salmon in there. I put more Cavender's on there on this side. I'm going to put some more Cavender's on this other side. I'm going to let that cook just for a couple of minutes. And the salmon should be ready to flip over. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to flip the salmon over. And give it another 3 minutes on this side. Okay, it's been another 3 minutes on the other side. And it's nice and pink and it's done. It's not overcooked or undercooked. So I'll let it cool down a little bit and have a taste test. Okay, the salmon test. Salmon is very good. The mushrooms are very good. Cactus pad, Nopalitos. Cactus pad, not to my liking. Bitter. I'm no I am no expert or chef. I just make up things as I go along. And we can make a simple meal from what we have. Cheers. Mm-mm-mm. Do what you can do.